Veronica. Today I have a very special video for you guys that I'm so excited to share. It is the very first episode of my new series called Cooking with Chef Veronica. And for the very first episode of Cooking with Chef Veronica, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an acai bowl. Yes, you heard that right. Can I get a heck yes?
Heck yes.
Thank you. And I just know you guys are going to love it. It's also 100% vegan. I'm a vegan, so I know that it sucks when you come across a good recipe, but it has milk in it or it has butter in it and you're just like, okay then. So this recipe is vegan friendly and it is also perfect for anyone who is lactose intolerant. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
For this recipe, you are going to need 1 acai packet, half a cup of mixed frozen berries, 1 banana, some almond milk, but you could also use soy milk or coconut milk or any other non-dairy milk, some strawberries, some granola, and some cacao nibs, which are optional, and some maple syrup, which is also optional. First, you're going to start by taking your acai packet, and if you're like me, you might make a little bit of a mess. So you're going to clean up your mess, and then you are going to put the acai packet into your blender, along with half a cup of mixed frozen berries and half of the banana that I mentioned earlier, and be sure to use half because we're going to be using the other half later. Then you're going to pour in half a cup of non-dairy milk, and now we are going to blend it all together. Once it's blended, you can go ahead and put that into your bowl. Next, we are going to slice up our fruit, and I chose bananas and strawberries because I love these fruits so much, but you can really use any type of fruit that you prefer with an acai bowl, and this is pretty self-explanatory. You're just slicing up the fruit. Now it's time for my favorite step, toppings. For toppings, I'm using some plain granola from Trader Joe's, which is absolutely delicious. I'm also going to be using some cacao nibs, but if you prefer not to use cacao nibs, that's completely okay. You could skip this step or you could add something else instead. Now I'm just topping it off with some fruit that I talked about earlier, bananas and strawberries, but again, you could use blueberries, peaches, pretty much anything that you like. And of course, we have to make it look Instagram worthy so that I could post a cute Instagram on my Instagram, which if you're not already following, the link is in the description bar and you should go follow me. And last but not least, we're going to be topping it off with some maple syrup, which I love, but you could also use agave or you could skip this step completely. And that is it for this recipe. It's super simple, super delicious, and super healthy. So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Thank you so much for watching the very first episode of Cooking with Chef Veronica, and if you enjoyed this episode and would like to see more episodes from the series, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment below what recipes you want to see next. I love trying new things, so please comment below anything you would like to see and I will make it happen on Cooking with Chef Veronica. And if you really did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this and also makeup videos, DIY videos, and more videos coming soon, be sure to subscribe to this channel. The button will be right over here, but actually this one doesn't work. So be sure to hit the one down in the description bar below. Lastly, if you're a subscriber, be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I post a new video, because why wouldn't you want to get notified every single time I post a new video? If you try this recipe at home, be sure to hashtag it Cooking with Veronica. This is the hashtag right here. Please hashtag it, pretty please, because I would love to see your version of this recipe. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Because this, I need some jasmine tea in my life. What's that meme where it's like, there's a meme. It's just like, did I just do that? I just did. Anyway, guys, I will talk to you later. I need to stop right now. Oh my. I forgot that there was lemon water in this, and I was expecting to get, you know, like some refreshing regular water, and I drank it and I'm like, did this water expire? And then my brain processed that it was lemon. I was not expecting that. You got me feeling emotion deeper than I ever dreamed of.